queued up here. There we go. Now we're talking. So I'm hoping to get your attention with this tagline. I'm Seamus Collins, the founder and CEO of SecureAI. We're a software company. We're a Gen AI company. So, we're a little bit out of place in this community. You wonder why we're here, and this is why. So, in the afternoon pitch, I'm going to talk a little bit more about our company and our background and why we're doing what we're doing. But in this longer format, I wanted to take an opportunity to show an application of generative AI for writing government contract proposals. Now, hopefully this is an application that you all know and know very well, and it's challenging, but we've built an artificial intelligence software tool that can make this process much faster, much easier. So I'm going to run through a video here in which I build a phase 1 SBIR proposal in 7 minutes. It actually took me 15. The video sped up 2x, but I'm going to narrate along, so hang on. No. Which button? There we go. Okay, so this is our software running. It's sped up 2x, but otherwise this is an uncut video. I'm pulling in an RFP, phase 1 SBIR, and I'm pulling in now the topic description, and I'm going to pull in the abstract. The RFP, I'm using AeroVironment data, one of our customers, graciously granted by Scott Newbern, CTO, right over here. So this is a mock proposal showing how AeroVironment could respond to a topic in a UAS deployment. So I'm using data from the Raven aircraft and some corporate data that I pulled off their website. This is all publicly available information, but you can imagine adding your own proprietary information to this system would make it much better. So this is the AI generating the proposal section by section. It's building out the technical objectives right now based on the abstract. I'm going to inject that over to the editor. Now I'm going to pull in now some information about the products that I'm basing this response on. Okay, so there's a handful of PDF documents that describe the AV products that we're basing the response on. The AI is going to pull data from those product sheets now and from the technical objectives to write the phase 1 work plan. Okay, so it's running through the phase 1 work plan right now, building out a schedule, talking about final deliverables. I'm going to do a quick review here of what data did it pull, just to ground, make sure it's not hallucinating. It's going to give me the actual documents and the segments of data that it pulled from each document. I say, okay, I'm happy with this. I'm going to inject it into my proposal here for the statement of work. Let's move on now to the related work section, right? So we all have written this. You're digging around in like your corporate documents, figuring out, I know we worked on a project related to this. Who was the PM on that? Is it on their personal machine? I can't remember, but anyway, right now I just pulled in a database that I'd already assembled of related work, dozen or so documents, and the AI is going to look at what is the context of this proposal, what is that related work, and what can I inject over that is related to what I'm proposing right now. So here's some previous applications from AV doing related work on Raven UAMs. Now I'm on to the relationship with future research, and I didn't like that response. So if you saw, you probably didn't even notice, but I actually just stopped it mid-course. I didn't like that response. I'm going to regenerate it, and now this one looks good. So anticipated results, significance of the phase 1 effort, what clearances we might need to perform the work, and plan for timely completion. I inject that over to my proposal. Okay, how about commercialization strategy? So again, I'm going to look at prior success of the company. I've got already a database set up with that data, but it's got to be contextualized for this particular topic. So I'm pulling in information from both the topic and the prior data from the company, and building out a commercialization strategy that is grounded in the company data, but customized for this specific topic. Again, I'm checking the references there just to make sure it's not hallucinating. Inject that over into the proposal. I know I'm going a few minutes over here, but I will wrap up in under 7, and I want to just show you guys. Okay, now resumes. So again, you're always writing resumes, but they're like short bios. You got to take somebody's LinkedIn profile because they haven't updated their resume in years, and then you're going to compress it and write some bio that's related to this work. Well, this AI is going to do it for us. So I pulled in my LinkedIn profile, an old resume, asked it to customize that for this particular topic, and Mark's giving me the hook. Okay, so we're basically finished. The rest of these sections are not relevant to this particular proposal. No foreign citizens, and facilities and equipment is copy paste. So the point is, I'm showing you how to write a phase 1 SIBR using AI in about 15 minutes. If you've written these before, you know they typically take 3, 4, 5 days. So, you know, it's several orders of magnitude acceleration. And this afternoon, we'll talk more about the company and the strategy for how we're building this out.
Awesome. Thank you, Shamus.